Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert a photo to a PDF in 2023. Sometimes you may need to convert a photo into a PDF format for various purposes, such as sharing or printing. So in this tutorial, we'll explore a simple method to convert your photos to a PDF. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Of course, first to begin, you will need to install a PDF Converter app on your smartphone if you're using your smartphone. There is the Cam Scanner option on your smartphone, which is a perfect solution for you. Of course, there are several options available on both iOS and Android platforms. You can look for reliable and highly rated apps that suit your need for your phone. If you're using a PC, you can simply go to whatever browser you are having in your PC. For me, I'm just going to use Brave. And of course, for you, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, you can simply go to this URL section. And once you go there, you can simply go here and type camscanner.com and hit the enter button. So many of you will wonder, Cam Scanner is an application for phone. Yeah, for sure. You can scan this QR code as an example and download it. But there is even the option of using it on your browser. So you can go and download this if you want to on your PC, or you can even go and use the web version by clicking here, signing into your account, or just go and create your account and you will find yourself here. So as you can see, the tools that we have: PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PPT, PDF to GPG, Word to PDF, and a lot of other things. But what we need actually is convert a photo to PDF or image to PDF. As you can see, we have this tool right here. So click on image to PDF and simply we can choose files in this PC. Click on it and let's just choose this image as an example. And as you can see, we can simply click on convert and it's uploading right now. So we'll have to wait a bit. In the meanwhile, let me just go and open Let's View, which is a tool that will allow me to show you my phone, of course. So you can simply save it to Cam Scanner. So remind me later and click on this. And of course, as you can see, you can even use or change this PDF to Word. You can even go and click on Save to Cam Scanner, click on Confirm, and as you can see, it's saved. So click on My Documents, and you'll normally find it here. Click on it, and you'll be able even to edit it however you want. You can go and give it a sign, watermark. You can edit it. How if you click on Edit, as you can see, you can spin it. You can add some filters to it, some smudge, some text if you want to, and a lot of other stuff. Of course, you can even convert it to Word, PPT, Excel, or PDF. And of course, here on more, we have to simply copy it or move or delete, and that's not what we want. So click on confirm. Of course, you can even go and change the name of it from here. So you will be able to do that also. So let's just use this Let's View as an example. And simply, I'm just going to my phone right here at the moment. And I will refresh and show you connection between my PC and phone. And of course, normally this connection will show you the screen of my phone on your PC. So as an example, if you want to change the image to PDF on your phone instead of your PC, I'll show you that also here. So I guess let me just go and install the latest version of Let's View and I'm coming back. So I installed the latest version. Now I'll simply have to enter the passkey, and normally you'll be able to see my sorry, I stopped the connection. Let me just go and release the connection again. And normally we are gonna be here, so let's just go on the other screen. And here we are. So now I'll simply have to go to my Cam Scanner as an example. Of course, for you, will have to go and download it first if you don't have it. And if you have it, of course, you will find it right here. So how can we convert an image to a PDF? Let me just go and grab a piece of paper as an example here. So I have this piece of paper as an example. Let me just see. I'll just try to do it like this. And now I'll simply have to go and click on this camera option. This camera option will open the camera of my phone and let me take a picture of the paper that I have. And of course, this paper option will, or the picture that I took, it will be converted into PDF right away. Of course, I can even use other stuff as an example. like the smart scan, PDF tools, imports image. If I want to import like some images from my gallery and change it into a PDF, this will be possible also. Imports files, ID cards to text. You can change a like PDF to text or to words. And of course, all the tools I will find it here. If I want to, I'll be able to find everything there. So for us, I'm just going to click on this camera option. And as you can see, this will open my camera and this will let me take a picture of this picture as an example of this paper. So once I take the picture, as you can see, I can edit the margins, then click on all if you want to all, or simply auto detect and click on next. Once I do so, as you can see, I can change the filter, or I can apply some filters to this pictures example. You can go and even add the signature, add some markup. You can change it to a text. Once you finish everything, click on the check button. And as you can see, I have it here as an image, but simply, sorry, here, of course, we can go and click on edit PDF if we want to edit this example. So if you click on it, we'll be able to go and add this anti-thieves. We can go and click on words, signature, compression, PDF settings. And of course, you can even go and give it a name. So I'm just going to name it test. I meant to name it a test. So go and click on OK. And as you can see, I can simply now go and add more pictures if I want to. But if I don't want to, I can simply go and share it as it is. Click on share. And as you can see, you'll find this share as PDF option. Or I can share it as Word, share as long image, share as GPG. So if I click on share as a PDF, of course, as you can see, this is going to be my PDF. I can simply click on share at the top right corner, and now I'll be able to share it or send it to my PC, save it to local, and do a lot of other stuff that I want to, depending on whatever I want. So let's say, as an example, I want to send it to PC. So click on send to PC, and as you can see, since you're not logged in, I will have to go and log in. So simply I'll have to check this option, click and continue, and log into the same account that I showed you here before. And once I logged in into it and click on send it to PC, I'll find this right here into my documents, as you can see. So here I can simply go back, and as you can see, I'll have to scan a QR code or turn on my computer the browser. I'll have to go, as an example, go here. So let me just go and do that. D dot cscan.co. Click on the enter button, and of course scan the QR code on the computer. So click on scan the QR code, and I'll have to simply scan it. So as you can see, once I scan the code, I will simply find the file here. So simply I can download this, print it, or open it. And as you can see, it will be the same that you found in my phone. I can even go and, as an example, download it if I want to. So I'll be able to do a lot of other stuff with the PDF that I got here on my phone. So that's normally gonna be it. So of course, if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully learned how to convert a photo to PDF in 2023 using a PDF converter app on your smartphone and even on your PC. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.